Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Auna Silver Star internet radio and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of one of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this radio is not working, if it's not connecting to Wi-Fi, if it's not pairing with your Bluetooth devices, if it's not syncing, if it's giving you any sound issues, if it seems to be frozen and not responding, a lot of these different types of issues can be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to have to set everything up again because it will all be wiped off of it. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling this or buying a used one, or just for whatever reason, you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box in terms of all the settings and configurations, with everything, presets, all that kind of stuff wiped off of it. We can go ahead and do that really easily. We're just going to use the menu button to go to the menu, and then we can navigate through using the dial. We can navigate through our menu options. And from there, we're going to select factory reset, and then we're going to hit the enter button, and then which is pressing on here. And then once we do that, we're just going to have to confirm it. So we're going to then again toggle to the yes, and then hit the hit OK again to confirm it, and it will reset to its factory default settings.